And then I do like hello, you guys. Okay, so behind the scenes a little bit. I only make my bed on the days that I do lives in the bedroom. Little personal confession, just saying. So I just did my hair with my 1-inch mist press from Head Candy. I'm not used to filming horizontally like this, so I feel like I'm looking like up, like my camera's up here, and it's definitely like right over here. But anyways, I used my 1-inch mist press from Head Candy to get these like beachy kind of like rocker curls. Wearing my hat, obviously like got some hat hair going on. Yeah, rocking the mom jeans. I'm totally digging the mom jeans, okay? Yeah, I got these from Target, I'm pretty sure like 2 years ago. I'm excited to go try some more on as soon as, you know, this whole quarantine thing is over. Anyways, behind the scenes, I have a lot of people ask me like what my setup looks like. You guys, it's nothing special, I promise you. Like, oh, let me just show you really quick. This is all jewelry on my windowsill, all jewelry, my Bose speaker, my self tanner. You guys, it's ridiculous. It's so ridiculous. And then all of my makeup is pretty much in my makeup case. My room, like me and my husband's room, it's a disaster. Like here's my little ring light, a bunch of clothes piled up in the corner, TV. Like our bedroom is not finished by any means. We still have some hanging of stuff on the walls, all that fun stuff. And yeah, I have a freaking TV tray with all of my stuff. I had my ring light like right there for the live. I use that little mirror right here. It's really awesome because you can turn it on. I probably don't have it plugged in, but it's got lights around it. So it's nice and compact and everything. But otherwise, yeah, just kind of wanted to show you guys a little bit of like day in the life type stuff. Still got to hang up stuff there. Yeah. Anyways, I will link everything, like my Head Candy link, makeup, anything like that I used. I'll link it all down below. If you guys have questions, comments, anything, drop them. Otherwise, yeah, we'll see what else this weekend holds. Another little snippet here. Sorry, I'm hobbling because I hurt my ankle. I'm pretty sure I sprained it, but you know, we're dealing. My daily smoothie that I've been doing. Okay, you guys, I do a whole banana. I don't measure out the spinach. I usually do like, I don't know, handful and a half of spinach. Get lots of greens in there. And then I also put frozen pineapple, like 6 to 7 chunks of frozen pineapple, 2 to 3 chunks of frozen mango. And then I do like a 1/4 of a cup, sorry, my dog's running around, like a 1/4 of a cup of frozen blueberries. And then I put original almond milk. And then I also have like a little like vial thing of vitamin D oil. And I put like a whole vial. You're supposed to put like 3 drops, but I mean, we live in the Midwest. So, I mean, we're always lacking vitamin D. So yeah, so I put like a whole vial of vitamin D in this baby, and it's like sunshine in a cup. I love it. But yeah, so can you guys see all of the like destruction around here? Toys everywhere, my dog like just whining about everything. So that's my like daily smoothie I've been doing, and it's awesome. You can't taste the spinach, you can't taste the blueberries. I know some people have told me that they don't like the taste of either of those. You can't taste it. All you taste is like tropical like banana and pineapple. Tastes like a pina colada. Woo, there's Diesel. He's mad because there's kids outside on bikes and he wants to bark at them, but he knows better when I'm holding him. He's a toy Australian Shepherd. He is about 15 pounds soaking wet, you guys. I love his size. And Aussies, they're great dogs. Looking to get a dog, go Aussie. I recommend it. He'll make some random appearances on the channel. Anyways, just thought I'd show you guys my dog. My dog. They're mowing. My husband had to get the lawnmower out. This is like my favorite spot in the house, you guys. Let me just back up and show you. We have the curtains kind of closed right now, but our 2 big like corner windows here, I love it. Love, love, love. Okay, you guys, so I don't know if you can tell, but this ankle, look how freaking huge this ankle is on the right. Over here. Yep, that's the one that I'm pretty sure I sprained. That looks good, right? My right foot is like super swollen. That's why I'm like hobbling around on it. Oh, it hurts. Ah! Does anybody know what to do for sprained ankles? I know, like, obviously probably go get it looked at, but I don't really want to go to the doctor's office right now. If you have any suggestions for sprained ankles, I've been trying to keep it up, put ice on it. What else works? Like Epsom salt bath? Like, does that, like soaking it with Epsom salt, does that work? I don't know. You guys, how pretty is the new Farmasi catalog? How pretty. Dr. Tuna, like skincare stuff. Okay. Yes. Look at this. They're offering travel size hair stuff, skincare, toothpaste. All of these are travel size. All of these are little bottles. I know they look big in here, but they are smaller bottles. This stuff is bomb diggity. I use it instead of icy hot on like my sore muscles. And the Calendula hand cream. I use that every night before I go to bed. They're adding in a new bar soap. I just started using the Rose face cream. It's amazing. It doesn't even feel like you have a moisturizer on. These are new, the Heat and the Alaska Refreshing Massage Gels. I use the Aloe Scrub for my face wash. It's bomb diggity. The baby line, I use that on Asher. It's amazing. Do you guys see these prices as I'm flipping through? Like, the most expensive line is like the Age Reversus line, and it's only because it's so dang worth it. The eye cream is phenomenal. I use the eye cream and the serum from the Age Reversus line. I use the charcoal black mask to pull out dirt from pores. They have hair care. Foot line. Oh my God, I'm so excited to use this, you guys. I got the peeling hand and foot like sea salt scrub stuff and then the foot cream. So freaking stoked so I can like maintain my in between my pedicures and stuff this summer. Okay, they have perfume. I haven't actually even got to try any of their perfume yet. I really want to. This is what I was super excited about. So they just came out with a new brown sugar series. So they have a shower gel, a hand cream, a creamy peeling, which is kind of like so it's like a body scrub stuff. And like, look at some of these prices. That's awesome. That's comparable to like Bath and Body Works, you guys. And these are legit stuff, and there's no like harsh chemicals in it. There are chemicals, but not the harsh ones that are going to be bad to absorb into your body. You guys have to see this. The concealer sticks. Oh my God. I have the soft orange one, but they just came out with some more colors in the concealer sticks. These babies have sold out so quickly. But the soft orange one is bomb diggity for like dark circles and blemishes to like make them completely disappear. And it's only $11.90. You get half off that if you sign up as a beauty influencer. If you're curious about that, drop a comment. I can get a hold of you. And then the other new thing is the Miss Sparkle lip glosses. People asked and they received new lip glosses. They sold out already and then they restocked them the next morning for us. I don't know how many they restocked, but yeah, super excited about those. So there is the new catalog, you guys. It's so springy and so pretty. Yep. Happy and pick up.